Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning for the all participants. For this time, we will continue to discuss about the new probability model with the two parameter, namely power Rado Institute distribution. In the first session and the second session, we have discussed about the density function and the cumulative distribution function respectively. And for now, we will try to talk about the one properties. It's very important properties in the probability modeling concept, such as survival function. We have known the survival function is very important function in the survival analysis field. So, and then we have the information and we have known the theoretical the survival function is of course have the relationship with the distribution, the cumulative distribution function. We have known the survival function is equal 1 minus the cumulative distribution function. Okay. For this time, we will discussion for this morning based on the candidate books that, like I say, it's a candidate books because I have the reason why I say this is candidate book, because this book still in the process. If this book is complete, I will publish and I will share the information about this book. Okay. For this time, we will talk about the survival function. We have known we can make the Sx for the survival function. Okay. And then, of course, the survival function is equal to 1 minus cumulative distribution function. We have discussed about the cumulative distribution function. So if we talk about the power Rado Institute distribution with k equal to, it means the survival function is equal to 1 minus cumulative distribution function equal to 1 minus 1 plus theta multiple by x power alpha divide the theta plus 1 multiple by exponent min theta x power alpha equal to 1 plus theta x power alpha divide theta plus 1 multiple by exponent min theta x power alpha. It's so very easy to find the survival function with the formula 1 minus cumulative distribution function. And then we have the sum, for example, for the power Rado Institute distribution, k equal to 3, we can find the survival function is the 1 plus theta power 2 multiplied by x power alpha plus x power 2 multiplied by alpha plus theta multiplied by 2x power alpha divide the theta power 2 plus theta plus 2 exponent min theta x alpha. And then we have the, for example, until the power Rado Institute distribution equal to k equal to 6. Okay. But for this time, we will try to the other fact from the survival function in the power Rado Institute distribution. Okay, in the power Rado Institute distribution, we can make the general formula for the survival function. Okay, we have known the survival function equal to 1 minus cumulative distribution function. And we have known the cumulative distribution function is equal to summation I equal to 1, starting 1 until the k lower incomplete gamma I, comma theta x power alpha multiple by theta power k minus I. divide by summation I starting 1. Okay. Gamma I multiplied by theta power K minus I. So we can make the formula become to the summation I equal to 1 until K multiplied by, so we can produce the last formula for the survival function is equal to summation I starting 1 until K, theta power K minus I multiplied by gamma function I equal to lower incomplete gamma I comma theta x power alpha divide by summation I starting 1 until K, this is 1 until K gamma function I multiplied by theta power K minus I. So based on this formula, we can find the cumulative, we can find the survival function for the Power-Rado Institute distribution. We only need the information what is the lower incomplete gamma I comma theta x power alpha. So it's very easy to use this formula. Okay, with this formula we don't need the information about the what is the cumulative distribution function. We just direct use this formula to find the survival function only based on the information what is the lower incomplete gamma. Okay, lower incomplete gamma only. Okay, in these books we have give the some example for the lower incomplete gamma. We give the some example for the some lower incomplete gamma. For example, okay, you can check here. We have the information about the lower incomplete gamma 1 comma theta x power alpha equal to 1 minus exponent min theta x power alpha. We have the information about the lower incomplete gamma 2 comma theta x power alpha equal to 1 minus exponent min theta x alpha minus theta x power alpha exponent min theta x power alpha until we have the information about the lower incomplete gamma 6 comma theta x power alpha equal to you can check here very long the equation. Okay, so with this information we can find the survival function with the very easy. We only depend on the general formula for the for the survival function, special for the Power-Rado Institute distribution. Okay, we are trying to solve the problem for some K for the Power-Rado Institute distribution. Okay, for example, like this one. Like I said before, the survivalship function for the Power-Rado Institute distribution only need information this formula. In this formula, only based on the lower incomplete gamma I minus I comma theta x power alpha. For example, if we try to find the survival function for the Power-Rado Institute distribution K equal to PRID, is mean the Power-Rado Institute distribution for K equal to, we only need the information, the lower incomplete gamma I, we can change I by 1 and 2. So we can use this formula and then we change the all information about that formula to become this one. Okay, like for example, we are only need K equal to 2. So this formula, we can try to solve this problem by using the formula theta power 2 minus 1 multiplied by function gamma 1 minus the lower incomplete gamma 1 comma theta x alpha plus theta power 2 minus 2 multiplied by gamma function 2 and the lower incomplete gamma 2 comma theta x power alpha. And then we change the all information. What is the lower incomplete gamma 1 comma theta x alpha and the information about the lower incomplete gamma 2 comma theta x power alpha. They become this one. Okay. Lower incomplete gamma 1 comma theta x power alpha is equal to 1 minus exponent min theta x alpha. And the lower incomplete gamma 2 comma theta x power alpha is the 1 minus exponent min theta x alpha minus theta x power alpha exponent min theta x power alpha. So with the very easy mathematics, we can prove that the survival function for the Power Rado Institute distribution K equal to 2 is the 1 plus theta x power alpha divided theta plus 1 multiplied by exponent min theta x power alpha. So it's the same result with the general formula Sx using formula 1 minus Fx. The same result. Okay, the same result. Okay, this is per example for the Power Rado Institute distribution for K equal to. We have the, for example, for the Power Rado Institute distribution for K equal to 3. K equal to 3. We just try to change K become to 3 and I starting 1. And we need the information only for the lower incomplete gamma. For example, starting I equal to 1 until 3. So for this one, okay, you can show this mathematics. So very easy mathematics. Theta power 3 minus 1 multiplied by function gamma 1 minus the lower incomplete gamma 1 comma theta x power alpha plus the theta power 3 minus 2 multiplied by function gamma 2 minus the lower incomplete gamma 2 comma theta x power alpha plus theta power 3 minus 3 multiplied by function gamma 3 minus the lower incomplete gamma 3 comma theta x power alpha divided by gamma function 1 multiplied by theta power 3 minus 1 plus function gamma 2 multiplied by theta power 3 minus 2 plus the gamma function 3 multiplied by theta power 3 minus 3. And then with, okay. And then with the information about the lower incomplete gamma 1 theta s alpha, lower incomplete gamma theta comma theta 2 comma theta x power alpha, and then the lower incomplete gamma 3 comma theta x power alpha, like we have discussed before. And then we have this the form. And then with the simple mathematics, we can prove that survival's function for the Power Rado Institute distribution K equal to 3, only 1 plus theta power 2 multiplied by x power alpha plus x power 2 multiplied alpha plus theta multiplied by x power 2 alpha divided by theta power 2 plus theta plus 2 multiplied by exponent min theta x power alpha. It's super easy. So we have the sum, for example, we try to solve the until the Power Rado Institute distribution K equal to 6. Okay, you can look from your house. It's very long the formula for the survival function for the Power Rado Institute distribution for the K equal to 6. But with this formula is a very easy to find the result, the survival function for the Power Rado Institute distribution K equal to 6, only 1 plus theta power 5, blah, 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 blah. So very long equation. you can look, you can see by yourself. Okay, this is a very easy formula. This result only based on the what is the lower incomplete gamma 6 comma theta x power alpha, and then what is the lower incomplete gamma 5 comma theta x power alpha, and then until we have the information what is the lower incomplete gamma 1 comma theta x alpha. We have discussed before. Okay, for the participants needs the complete information about the what is a lower incomplete gamma. Like I said before, you can come to the www.radoinstitute.com and you can find complete information about the what is a lower incomplete gamma. Of course, in the Rado Institute, we try to explain about with using Indonesian language. I think it's not the very important issue. Indonesian language, English language, you only focus to the formula. How the Rado Institute to makes the explanation about the formula. Okay, don't care about the language. Okay, English language, Indonesian language, I think the same only. We only focus to the formula. Okay, I think this our discussion for this morning is a very, very good discussing for this time. We will try to talk about the another properties in the next session, especially what is the Hazard function. Okay, Rado Institute and Rado Yendra, see you again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.